will continue with the outcome. What is the outcome? The result will be the formulation of better citizen. Okay, what is the aim of school subject? To convert the people into better citizen. Involves basic skills, reading, writing, arithmetic. Okay, all this is taught in the school. Its scope is vast since the aim is broad. So many things. It's not only the subject. Through subject, we teach so many things to the students. Life skills. Through subject, we try to teach life skills also. And we know that there are three things. One is our head, our heart, and our hand. Okay, head means our academic that knowledge, cognitive knowledge. Heart is affective domain, cognitive domain, affective domain is heart, and then psychomotor means you know about the skills which we use the our hand and all the finer movement, etc., etc. So it is head, heart, and hand, we can say. So many things are included in the school subject, but it gives importance to the development of special here. We try to develop specific skills in academic discipline. Specific skills are we are trying to develop. It is a professional skill, we can say, vocational skill. Okay, some vocation. After completing this, we start with some vocation. We professional skills, enhancing the disciplinary knowledge, etc. One's own thinking. All this we can say. Okay, here we give the professional skills and vocational skills and all we can add. Now we go to the scope. Okay, it is flexible. School, it is flexible. Okay, changes as the aims of society changes. Always it is not fixed. The aim of the school changes according to the society. Here we can say scope within the subject. Okay, narrowed point of view compared to school subjects. Curriculum construction. What is curriculum construction? Learner-centered constructivist approach. Okay, here constructed according to the nature of discipline. Here, how the curriculum is constructed in school, it is about the learner. We are much bothered about the learner, constructivistic approach and all. Here, curriculum is what is the nature of the discipline. According the curriculum is designed, and it's advanced according to the nature of discipline only when new innovations take place. When there is new innovation, then only there is a change. Otherwise, it is same. But it is flexible in the case of the school, right? Again, we call about areas. School subject, academic discipline. Okay, curriculum construction. What is the curriculum construction in a school subject? Learner-centered constructivist approach. What about the academic discipline? Scope of flexibility. Here we can change the curriculum. We can change according to the students, group of students. If in the first year you might be using different thing, and the next batch of students you may be using different things. But in the academic discipline, flexibility is very less. You have to work within the discipline, and you cannot less scope of change of knowledge, right? Curriculum discourses area of operation. Next is the you can call it as area of operation. This is limited to schools. This is not learner centered. Okay, for universities and other higher educational institutions, this is mainly constructed for universities and higher educational institutions. Now we'll go to the what is the aim of schooling. Next topic. Okay, you know, something you might be knowing about the aim of schooling. Education differs in nature and orientation, right? And education is related to multiple needs of the individual as well as the society. And then educational aims are correlated with the ideals of life. So in one country, the aim may be different, another country it may be different. So educational aims change in keeping the different schools of philosophy, even from school to school also. That particular school may be having certain philosophy and religious, political and economic ideals held in individual or by the country. So in reality, education is a reflection of society and a process of social control. It is going to shape the society. Educational aims change from age to age. What is true today may not be true tomorrow. And also from one place, it is changing to the other place. So aim changes from place to place also, even in the same place, different period of time also. Different types of education have separate aims of education. Okay, so we can see philosophical, sociological, technological and other aspects of a country. So what we can say, first we can say philosophical, sociological, technological and other aspects of a country. Right? The aim changes according to the philosophy of that particular country, sociology, technical, whatever that particular country needs. Philosophy of education of a country. Country, what it needs, what is the philosophy of the country. What is our country's philosophy? You know, it is about, if you see, truth, beauty, and goodness. So we can say that our country's main, like something like this. With some other country, it may be different. What is that? Aims of education. There are different aims of education. There may be some universal aim or particular aim of the particular country, and then aims of schooling. We are having why we are sending the children to school. There are certain aims, right? In order to satisfy those aims, even something we can call it as international also, right? A global and local, universal, individual, like this we can traditional and modernity, and long term and short term, and competition versus the opportunity, equal opportunity, tension between extraordinary expansion of knowledge, human beings' capacity to assimilate it. So their knowledge is expanding, and but still we are bothered about how much knowledge we are able to assimilate it, right? So accordingly, we are going to give the education to the students, right? So what we have seen is nothing but what is the aims of schooling, right? So we'll stop from here.